Hello, in this video we're gonna check which of the gestures and motions work on the lock screen in Samsung Galaxy A20s. So to do this we'll need to open our settings. Now let's locate the advanced features. Sorry, that was the wrong one. So it's advanced features, this yellow icon right here. Then motion and gestures, and right here let's check which of them work on your lock screen. First one, double tap to turn off screen. So it works on the lock screen, but you need to lock your phone obviously, and then when it's woken up like that, so the screen is on, we need to double tap to turn it off. Next one is turn over to mute. If you enable it and place your phone upside down, it will mute all incoming calls, and that works on your lock screen. Next is pick up phone to call, and this won't work on your lock screen as you need to have the contact open up on your phone. Then lift your phone to your ear to make the call. Fingerprint sensor gestures. Also, I don't think it will work on the lock screen. So, yep, it doesn't. Let's try when the screen is on. So yeah, when the screen is on, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.